Assalamu alaikum everyone. So first of all, I would like to thank everybody who have wished me yesterday. So I know it takes a lot of effort to go to somebody's timeline and type a message or WhatsApp and send a message. So I'm really grateful whoever have made this effort. और I feel कि मुझे first time in life I've received so many wishes. I think the reason is कि मेरा Instagram is the first time my Instagram is public. Otherwise, it was always private. So first time people got to know कि this is the day. So thank you everyone. So आज मैं आपको एक छोटी सी story बताना चाह रही थी. A story about a survivor. So I just wanted to share it with everyone. I really want to make everybody think positive कि हाँ cancer treatment is possible. So I treated a patient who was 75 above and he came to me in 2020 and he had stage 3 nasopharyngeal cancer. So basically he started to have his decline in vision in one of the eyes. That's why he got to know that there is something wrong. So he got an MRI done and this is how we found out that उनका ट्यूमर है नेजोफैरिंक्स में. नेजोफैरिंक्स इज एन एरिया बिहाइंड द नोज. इसके अंदर जो कैंसर होता है दैट इज मोस्टली वायरस से रिलेटेड होता है. समटाइम्स एज रिलेटेड भी होता है, समटाइम्स अदर फैक्टर्स लाइक स्मोकिंग भी हो सकता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में इट इज़ अ वायरस दैट ट्रिगर्स दैट कैंसर. So this patient was above, as I told you, about 75, but he was in good healthy condition. And the treatment that we give to these patients is radiation combined with chemotherapy. So it was not an easy decision, and even for the family, when you tell them that your dad is going to receive chemo radiation at an age above 75, it is not easy decision for them. But because he was losing vision and obviously if the tumor had spread, so it could have gone to the brain और कुछ और भी symptoms आना शुरू हो जाते हैं and could have metastasized. So we got them prepared for the treatment. So he received 6 cycles of chemotherapy and he received 35 sessions of radiation. And this treatment completed in 2020. So he came to me for follow-up till 2022 and his scans were all good and he was fine, and then he stopped coming. Sometimes आना छोड़ देते हैं, so you don't know कि क्या हो रहा है उनके साथ and whether they are fine or not. But suddenly वो एक दिन आपके पास आ जाते हैं and you are so happy to see them. So recently he came to me, like last week आए थे वो मेरे पास, and I was so happy to see him and he was still good. He was his vision in that eye was not as great क्योंकि उधर tumor had already affected, but otherwise cancer was gone. Those were completely normal and he was fit, he was up and about, and he told me he is above 80. So I was so glad to see him, and I just want to share this with everybody because you know, treating a young patient is always easy, like treating an elderly patient with these difficult treatments is sometimes very challenging, and when we do it we really want that we get the results and we get the and our effort is really worth it, and especially if the patient is going through some side effects, in the end we should be able to give the patient at least some quality of life years. So I'm glad that he got them and he was so happy, and उन्होंने जाते जाते मेरे सर पे हाथ रखा. So I didn't call him again कि आप मेरे पास आएँ और scans कराएँ और follow up कराएँ, because you know when the patients are above 80 we just leave it to them, especially when they have passed 5 years after treatment. So yes, so we can treat cancer in a safer way in patients who are elderly with the tough treatments. So the hope should always be there. Thank you very much.